What's going on, everybody? Patriot Stacker here. So are we finally seeing a rise in precious metals? Well, let's take a look. What's up, everybody? Patriot Stacker here. I know it's been a little while since I made a video, but I'm still here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still into precious metals. I just haven't been stacking much lately. Over the last few months, we've been seeing the market just down in the dumps. Silver has been around $17, $18 an ounce. Gold around $1,700, $1,750 an ounce. And, you know, we've just been seeing this low market, and it's just a little disheartening. For a while, you know, we were seeing spot price drop and drop and drop. And personally, I was thinking it was just going to keep dropping. You know, I wasn't sure what was going to happen, but it seemed like it wasn't anything good. But over the last couple days, we're seeing a little bit of movement in our favor. Spot price has been going up a little bit. Let's take a look at the spot price now. You see, according to Coinflation here, silver and gold both have gone up. It's down right now as I'm filming this, but you know, it's up since the last couple weeks, month or so. Let's take a look at what JM Bullion has to say. Their spot price is always a little bit higher than Coinflation, but those are two great resources to check current precious metal spot price. So as you see here, we've seen a little bit of movement, which I'm excited about. I think that we are on the right path with our precious metals. I think, you know, we've been stacking for, well, as long as you've been stacking. I personally have been stacking for a handful of years now, and I have built up my stack fairly nice. I'm excited about how much I have. I mean, you know, I have quite a bit of silver, quite a bit of gold, a little bit of platinum, even some copper, you know, but I've been stacking thoroughly, and you know, as much as I can over the last couple of years. Unfortunately, you know, we were buying silver and gold when silver was like $30 an ounce almost. Gold was almost $2,000 an ounce or more, and then added premiums, and you're spending $35 to $40 an ounce on silver, or you know, $2,100, $2,200 an ounce on gold. You know, we've been buying when it was high, and of course, you know, with all that FOMO that we all get into, that fear of missing out. But right now, the spot prices, or over the last couple weeks, months, spot prices just dropped. The market tanked, and we're still seeing those high premiums, though. Well, that's the thing, you know, the spot prices come down, but really, the price of silver and gold hasn't changed all that much. You know, you're still paying extremely high premiums. You know, it would be a great time to buy if it wasn't for the premiums. I mean, if you can get silver and gold and platinum at near spot price, just a small percentage over spot, then yeah, right now is a great time to buy before the market goes back up. You know, I think that there are some key factors that will play in the spot price and the market going back into that to that bull market that we want. You know, we want to see an uptick in silver and gold because, you know, it's our investment, it's our savings, our wealth, and we don't want to see our wealth, you know, lose. We want to see it gain. So I think that certain things like the green energy and this solar and all this, you know, energy sector is going to play a huge part in precious metals. Of course, you know, the silver is used in so many different applications: solar panels, automobiles, medicine. I mean, all different aspects of industry. Gold as well, platinum as well, palladium also. You know, these precious metals are used in industrial purposes, and now that they are going to, they've changed a few things. The industry is kind of getting back into the swing of things as well, after the last couple of years, which have been a little crazy with shortages and the shortage of workers and things like that, and plants closing and all that craziness. Industry is starting to move forward, and I think in the next year or so, hopefully sooner than later, I would say, we'll see that market, move forward. We'll get back into that bull market that we want to see, and our wealth will start to gain instead of losing. We don't like to see that balance sheet just drop and drop and drop. My stack at one point was worth, well, I don't even remember what it's worth, but say it was worth $50,000. Right now, it might only be worth about 20. So that's that's a lot of That's a lot of loss there. But those are just generic numbers. But of course, we want to see it move forward and build up our wealth. So I believe that we are on the right path, and I think that with precious metals and industry, we're going to see the market move forward in a positive direction. I do have a lot of faith in precious metals. I always have. I never lost faith. I mean, it does get a little disheartening, discouraging to see the market tank like it did, but just hold on, just hold steady. That's what I'm doing. I'm not really buying a lot, but I'm also not liquidating anything, especially right now. I'm not selling any of my metals. Maybe I will if the market moves forward, because I am moving in other investment opportunities. I invest in property and land, also different tangible assets, things like that. And, it is nice to be able to liquidate some of this when you need to, but it's really hard to liquidate it right now when all it is a loss. So, there are different ways to not lose as much if you do need to liquidate, soon or now. You can move into different avenues, but that's a whole nother video. I just want to talk about what we're seeing right now with the market. We are seeing a little bit of a forward movement in a positive direction, and that gets me excited because I think that we just need to hold on and stand our ground and just see and wait and watch the market do its thing. I believe that we are going to be moving forward in a positive direction, especially with the energy sector and industry. I think that it's not all doom and gloom right now. For a while we were thinking, oh man, what's happening with precious metals? We thought that precious metals were a hedge against inflation. Well, right now and over the last couple weeks or months, that's kind of proven to be incorrect. It's not really hedging against inflation much nowadays. But overall, in the long run, it really is still a hedge against inflation. And it's still a great tangible asset, savings, wealth. Being your own bank is always a wonderful thing. I still am a huge fan of precious metals, and I always will be. But I just wanted to make a video today. I was seeing some movement in the market, and I got excited. I think in the near future, hopefully sooner than later, we will see spot price of silver, gold, platinum, palladium, all the precious metals move in a positive direction. So let me know down in the comments, what are you doing right now? Are you buying still? Are you buying less? Are you buying more? Are you backing up the truck and just loading up while spot price was down? Or are you kind of just holding steady, waiting on the sidelines to see what happens next? Because we were thinking that spot price might just keep dropping. So that's another reason why I personally wasn't buying much. If it's going to keep going lower and lower, then maybe I'll wait to see where it hits rock bottom. But now that we see a little forward movement, my faith has been restored. I've lost that discouraging feeling, and I still have a lot of faith in my precious metals. So also, let me know down in the comments, How do you feel about everything? Do you think that our precious metals will be moving in a positive direction as well? I believe so, but let me know what you all think down in those comments. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I promise I'll make more videos for you all soon. It's been a crazy couple months for me with work and life, so it's hard to get these videos out. But once things settle down a little bit, once the dust clears, I'll be making lots more videos for all of you. But I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos all about silver stacking, precious metals, coin collecting, treasure hunting, and so much more, and ring the notification bell so you can see when I upload my next video. And as always, have a great day.